Hey guys, I hope you are all well. Recently, CBSE has provided the sample question paper for Class 10 Term 1 exam for 2021 to 2022. And today we will solve the question paper of Term 1 of Mathematics. Okay? And here you will get 50 questions. You have to solve 40 questions and total marks is equal to 40 and the time allowed is 90 minutes. And in part 1 there are some general instruction, and these are the question paper contains paper part A, B and C. Okay? And section A, and there are 20 questions of 1 mark each, and you have to attempt only 16 questions. In section B consists of 20 questions of 1 mark each, and you have to attempt only 16 questions. And in section C consists of 10 questions based on 2 case studies, and you have to attempt any 8 questions. Okay, there is no negative mark. So let's start. Today we will solve mathematics sample question paper for term 1 session 2021-22. Okay, so let's start. At first we solve section A, and you see section A consists 20 questions and any 16 questions you have to attempt it. But here I have solved all the 20 questions. Okay, so at first you see the question is a box contains card number 6 to 50. A card is drawn at random from the box. The probability of the drawn card has a number which is a perfect square like 4, 9 or ... is what will be the probability. Okay, here you see the total number of cards is 45 including 6, because 6 to 45 is equal to 44 plus 1, because here 6 is included. So total number of cards is here is equal to 45. Now we have to find out the probability of the card which is perfect square. So the number of cards which is a perfect square is equal to 5, because these numbers are 9, 16, 25, 36 and 49. Okay, so therefore probability of drawn a card is a perfect square. It will be 5 upon 45 and it is 1 by 9. So the answer will be 1D. Okay. In next question, in a circle of diameter 42 cm, if an arc subtends an angle 60 degree at the center where pi is equal to 20 pi by 7, then the length of the arc is what? Here you see a picture of a circle. Here let us suppose the radius of the circle is equal to r, whereas the diameter will be 2r. Okay, now we have to find out the arc, this arc. Okay, we know that the length of arc is equal to, what is the formula? Theta divided by 360 degree into 2 pi r. Here theta is equal to 60 degree. Here the arc subtends the angle 60 degree. So here theta is equal to 60 degree upon 360 degree into 2 into the value of pi is equal to 22 by 7 into 21. And after that we get 22 centimeter. Okay, so here the answer will be C. Next, if sin theta equal to x and sec theta equal to y, then find tan theta. What will be the value of tan theta? Tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Therefore, it can be written as sin theta into sec theta. Value of sin theta is equal to, provided it is x, and the value of sec theta is equal to y. So tan theta will be xy. So here A is right option. Okay. Now question number 4. The pair of a linear equation y equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 5 has one solution, two solution, infinitely many solution, no solution. Here you can see it is y equal to 0 line, and here it is y equal to minus 5 line, and here the lines are parallel. So there will be no intersection, so there will be no solution. So the answer will be D. Okay. In question number 5, the question is a fair die is thrown once, the probability of the even composite number is. So here the total number of point is equal to 6, because in a die there are 6 points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total number of point is equal to 6. And number of even composite number is equal to 2, 4 and 6. Okay. So the probability of even composite number is equal to 2 by 6. So it will be 1 by 3. So which option will be right? It will be number B. Next, question number 6. 8 chairs and 5 tables cost rupees 10,500, while 5 chairs and 3 tables cost 6,450. The cost of each chair will be what? Okay. Let us suppose the cost of one chair is equal to rupees X and the cost of one table is equal to rupees Y. And according to question, 8 chairs and 5 tables. So 8x plus 5y will be what? It is provided 10,500. I write it here. And in the second question, 5 chairs and 3 tables. So it will be total cost will be 5x plus 3y, and it is the total value will be 6,450. And I write down here. To solve this equation, at first I multiply the first equation by 5 and the second equation by 8. So from these two equations we get 40x plus 25y is equal to 52,500 divided by 40x plus 24y is equal to 51,600. After subtraction we get y is equal to 900. So the answer D will be right. Okay. The cost of each chair will be rupees 900. Now question number 7. If cos theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, then find the value of sin square theta plus sin to the power 4 theta is equal to ABCD. What will be the value of sin square theta plus sin to the power 4 theta? Here it is provided cos theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Therefore cos theta will be what? 1 minus cos square theta. And 1 minus cos square theta means sin square theta. Okay. And we have to find out sin square theta plus sin to the power 4 theta. Then sin square theta plus sin to the power 4 theta will be sin square theta means, just I have find out, sin square theta means cos theta. So I write down here cos theta, and for sin to the power 4 theta means sin square theta's whole square. Okay. Sin square theta means cos theta. So it will be cos square theta. And it is given cos theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So it will be 1. So option C will be right. 7C. Now question number 8. The decimal representation of 23 divided by 2 cube plus 5 square will be terminating, non-terminating, or non-terminating and repeating, non-terminating and non-repeating. What will be the option? Okay. Here you can see 2 and 5 are not factor of 23. 2 and 3 are not, obviously 2 and 3 are not factor of 23. And we know that a rational number will be terminating decimal if the denominator is of the form 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. Okay, I write down here. Here the denominator is 2 cube plus 5 square, so it is of the form 2 to the power m. So obviously it is terminating. So option 8A will be right. Okay, next question number C. The LCM of 2 cube into 3 square and 2 cube into 3 cube. It is very easy. The LCM will be highest power of 2, it will be 2 cube, and highest order of 3 cube, it will be 3 cubes. So it is the answer, and it will be option number C. Now we will solve question number 10. And the question is the HCF of two number is 18 and their product is 12,960. Their LCM will be what? Okay. We know that there are two numbers. Therefore, the product of two number, first number into second number, is equal to HCF into LCM. We know that very well. Here product is equal to 12,960. So I write down here the product of first number and second number is equal to 12,960. And here HCF is provided, it is 18, and we have to find out LCM. Therefore 18 into LCM, therefore LCM will be 12,960 divided by 18, and it will be 720. So option C will be the right answer. Now we will solve question number 11, and the question is, in the given figure DE parallel to BC, which of the following is true? Here it is a given picture ABC, and here DE is parallel to BC. Okay, And now we have to find out the value of x or y, which will be the right statement. Here you can see the ratio between AE by AC, AE by AC, AE by AC is equal to DE divided by BC. What is the value of AE? It is A, and AC will be A plus B. Okay, and DE is equal to X and BC is equal to Y. Here it is given, so it is X by Y. Therefore, X will be Y into A divided by A plus B. So which statement is right? It is option C. Okay, next, number 12, the coordinate of the point A dividing the line segment joining the point A and B internally in the ratio 2:1 are. Okay, so we have to find out the point. Let us suppose I have drawn a picture here. Suppose the point A is here, B is here, and P is the point, and whose coordinate is x, y. We have to find out x and y. Okay, the point divided AB internally in the ratio 2:1. So here from A to P it is 2 unit, and from P to B it is 1 unit. So what will be the x? X is equal to 2 into 4 plus 1 into 1 divided by the sum of 2 plus 1, and it is 3. So it will be equal to 3. Similarly, in case of y, it will be 2 into 6 plus 1 into 3 divided by 3, and it will be 5. So the coordinate is equal to 3, 5. And which option will be right? It will be 12D. Next question. The prime factorization of 3825 is what? Here I factorize 3825. You can see here, and it is 3 square into 5 square into 17. So which option will be right? It will be number C. Okay. Next, 14 number. In the figure given below, AD is equal to 4 centimeter, BD is equal to 3 centimeter, CB is equal to 12 centimeter. Then cot theta is equal to what? 3 by 4, 5 by 12, 4 by 3, or 12 by 5. Here you can see there are two triangles formed. Okay. From the first triangle, that is from triangle ABD. From triangle ABD, at the point D it is right angle. So AB will be the hypotenuse. So from the Pythagoras theorem, we get AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. So it will be 4 square plus B square, and it will be 25. So therefore implies AB will be square root of 25, and it will be 5. Okay. Now from triangle ABC, here the angle C is equal to theta. We have to find out cot theta. Cot theta is equal to base by perpendicular. Therefore here it is CB divided by AB. Here it is given CB is equal to 12 centimeter, and we find out AB. AB is equal to 5. Therefore it will be 12 by 5. So the option D will be right. Now in problem number 15, if ABCD is a rectangle, find the value of x and y. Here it is given the length is equal to 12, and it is marked as x plus y, and the breadth is equal to 8 centimeter, and here it is given x minus y. We know that in a rectangle opposite sides are same, therefore x plus y will be 12 and x minus y will be 8. So after adding these two equations, we get 2x equal to 20, therefore x equal to 10, and y is equal to, subtracting 10 from 12, it will be 2. So the option x equal to 10, y equal to 2, A will be right. Now in 16, in a isosceles triangle ABC, if AB is equal to BC and AB square is equal to 2AC square, then measure the angle C will be what? Okay. Suppose this is the isosceles triangle, here AC is equal to BC, and here it is given the condition AB square is equal to 2AC square. We can write it as AC square plus AC square. Okay. AC square is equal to AC square. Here also we can write AC square is equal to BC square, because it is the isosceles triangle, and here it is given AC equal to BC. So in the place of AC we write BC. Now we can see that AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square. Okay. So what will happen here? Obviously, this will be a right angle triangle because it is in the form of Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So, it will be 90 degree. Okay. So, option D will be right. Now, in question number 17, it is said that if minus 1 is a 0 of the polynomial px equal to x square minus 7x plus 8, then other 0 will be what? There will be two zeros. Let us suppose the zeros are a and b, and the polynomial is equal to x square minus 7x minus 8. Since there are two zeros, so it will be a plus b will be minus b by a. So it will be 7, and product of two zeros will be minus 8. Okay. Now suppose a is equal to, means one of the 0 is equal to minus 1. Here it is given one of the 0 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, from this equation obviously b will be 7 plus 1, because a is equal to minus 1, 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Okay. So other 0 is equal to 8. So option D will be right. In question number 18, in a throw of a pair of dice, the probability of the same number on each die is, okay, the total number of points, there are two dice are thrown, so the total number of points will be 6 square, that is 36, and number of same number on each die, what will be it? 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5 or 6 6. So there are how many points? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the probability of the same number on each die will be 6 divided by 36, that is 1 by 6. So option A will be right. Now in question number 19, the midpoint of 3p4 and minus 2 2q is 2 6. Find the value of p plus q. So suppose these are 2 points and it is the midpoint. So obviously the midpoint will be sum of these 2 points divided by 2, that is sum of x coordinates, 3p minus 2 divided by 2 for x coordinate, and for y coordinate 4 plus 2q divided by 2. This is the condition of midpoint. Okay. Therefore it will be 3p minus 2 by 2 is equal to 2, and we multiply it, 2 2s are 4, and from here 6 will be 4 minus 2q by 2. So it will be 4 minus 2q is equal to 6, 2 6 are 12. Okay. Now solving this above equation, we get p is equal to 2 and q is equal to 4. Therefore p plus q is equal to 6. So option B will be right. Now number 20, the decimal expansion of 147 by 120 will be terminate after how many places of decimal? Okay. The question is, after how many places of decimal the expansion will be terminate? We can write it as 147 divided by 120, dividing numerator and denominator by 3. So it will be 49 and it will be 40. We can write it as 49 divided by, it will be 40 means 8 into 5. 8 will be 2 cube into 5 means 5 to the power 1. Now we have to find out the maximum of 3 or 1. Which will be the maximum? The power of 2 and 5, which will be maximum? Here the power of 2 is 3 and here the power of 5 is 1, and the maximum is 3. Okay. So after how many decimal? After 3 decimal the expansion will be terminate. Okay. Now we will solve section B. Section B consists 20 questions of 1 mark each, and any 16 questions are to be attempted. Okay. But here I have solved all the 20 questions for you. Now the question number 21 is the perimeter of a semicircle whose radius is r. Here you see this is a picture of semicircle. Then what will be the perimeter? This portion plus this portion. So the perimeter of this semicircle will be, and this portion will be pi r, and this portion will be r plus r means 2r. So it will be pi r plus 2r. So which option will be right? Option D. Number 22. If PE denotes the probability of an event T, then what will be the value of P? We know that in the definition of probability that it is always greater or equal to 0 and lesser or equal to 1. So answer will be number C. Now question number 23. In triangle ABC, at angle B is equal to 90 degree and BD perpendicular to AC. This is a triangle. Angle B is equal to 90 degree and BD is perpendicular to AC. Now if AC is equal to 9 centimeter and AD is equal to 3 centimeter, then BD is equal to what? Now you can see there are two similar triangles I have divided here for your convenience. Okay. Now what we will do? We will find out the ratio between base and perpendicular. At first we take this triangle. Okay. This triangle. So here CD divided by BD, base divided by perpendicular, CD by BD. Now from this triangle, base here base is equal to BD, BD by AD. This relation will be equal because these are two similar triangles. Now from this equation, what we will get? BD square is equal to CD into AD. It will be CD means 6, AD means 3, so it will be 18. Therefore BD will be root over 18 means 3 root 2. So option B will be right. Now question number 24. The pair of linear equation 3x plus 5y is equal to 3 and 6x plus ky is equal to 8 do not have a solution if the value of k is equal to 5, k is equal to 10, k not equal to 10, k not equal to 5. We know it very well. What is the condition for do not have any solution is equal to the coefficient of x, that is 3, divided by, in the second equation, the coefficient of x, that is 6. So ratio of these two coefficient of x is equal to coefficients of y. Here the coefficient of y is equal to 5 and in this equation the coefficient of y is equal to k. Therefore 3 by 6 is equal to 5 by k, and this is the condition for a linear pair of equation do not have solution. So from this equation we get k is equal to 10. So it will be number B. Now we will solve question number 25, and the question is, if the circumference of a circle increases from 2 pi to 4 pi, then its area dash the original area. Okay, half, double, 3 times or 4 times. How many times it will be increased? Okay. Suppose there are two circles. In this case, let's suppose the radius of the first circle is equal to small r, and in this case the radius of the circle is equal to capital R. Therefore circumference for the first circle is equal to 2 pi r small r, and in this circle the circumference will be 2 pi capital R. According to question, therefore circumference by C1 by C2 is equal to 2 pi r divided by 2 pi r. But here it is given that the circumference increases to 2 pi to 4 pi. I have write down here 2 pi to 4 pi, and in this part we cross out 2 pi, so it will be r by capital R. So r by capital R will be half. Okay. Now we find out the ratio of the area. Therefore A1 by A2 will be pi r square divided by pi r square. Pi cross out. Therefore here it is r by r whole square. Now r by r means half whole square, and it is 1 by 4. Now we do the cross multiplication. Therefore A2 will be 4A1. Therefore it will be 4 times. Okay. In question number 26, given that sin theta is equal to A by B, then tan theta is equal to what? Okay. So here sin theta is equal to A by B. Suppose here this is the triangle and this is the angle theta. Therefore sin theta means perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. So here let us suppose the base will be capital B, hypotenuse will be capital H, and perpendicular will be capital P. So from this triangle we get hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay. From sin theta we get perpendicular and the hypotenuse. So the value of perpendicular is equal to A and the value of hypotenuse is equal to B. We write down here H for B, so it will be B square, and P for A, so it will be A square plus B square. So from this equation we get B square is equal to B square minus A square, and it will be B is equal to root over B square minus A square. Now we find out cos theta. Cos theta means base by hypotenuse. So it will be root over B square minus A square divided by B. Now we have to find out the value of tan theta. Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. Now the value of sin theta is equal to A by B divided by cos theta. So the value of cos theta is equal to root over B square by A square by B. And so it will be A divided by root over B square minus A square. So the option D will be the right answer. Okay. Now number 27, if x equal to 2 sin square theta and y is equal to 2 cos square theta plus 1, then x plus y is equal to what? So x plus y will be 2 sin square theta plus 2 cos square theta plus 1. It is given. We take common between these two, so it will be sin square theta plus cos square theta into 2 plus 1. We know that the value very well, the value is 1. So it will be 2 plus 1, it is 3. And option A will be the right answer. In question number 28, if the difference between the circumference and the radius of a circle is 37 centimeter, pi is equal to 2 pi is equal to 22 by 7, the circumference in centimeter of the circle is what? We have to find out the circumference. So the given condition is equal to circumference minus radius equal to 37. I have write down here. We take common r between these two, so it will be 2 pi minus 1. We put the value of pi and it is 2 pi by 22 by 7, and so therefore 7 will be multiplied with the 37, and it will be 37 into 7 divided by 44 minus 7, it will be 37. Here 37 and 37 are crossed out, so r is equal to 7. Therefore circumference will be 2 into pi into r. Just I put the value, and here 7 and 7 will be crossed out, and 2 and 22 after multiplication we get 44 centimeters. So option B will be the right answer. Now in question number 29, the least number that is divisible by the numbers from 1 to 10 both inclusive, which will be the least number? Then what we will have to find out? Yes, we'll have to find out the LCM. The LCM of 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10, and after that we get the LCM is equal to 2520. So which option will be right? Number C. Yes. Now we will solve problem number 30, and the problem is 3 bells ring at intervals 4, 7 and 14 minutes. All 3 rang at 6 am. When they will ring together again? LCM of this 3 number is equal to 20. It is very easy problem. So bell will be ring together after 28 minutes. Now it is 6 am, then it will be ring together once again when 6 plus 28 means 6:28 am. Okay. So which option will be right? It will be C. Now 31. What is the age of the father if the sum of the ages of father and his son is in years is equal to 65, and twice the difference of their age in years is equal to 50. Let's suppose the father's age is equal to x years and son's age is equal to y years. Here it is given the sum of the ages is equal to 65. So I have write it here x plus y is equal to 65, and twice the difference twice the difference is equal to 50. Okay. So from this equation we get x minus y is equal to 25. So after adding these two equations we get x is equal to 45. Now in problem 32, what is the question? What is the value of tan theta cosec theta whole square minus sin theta into sec theta whole square? What will be the value? I have solved this problem in the next page. Okay. Here you can see tan theta into cosec theta whole square minus sin theta into sec theta. Okay. We can write it as tan square theta into cosec square theta. From here it is sin square theta into sec square theta. Tan square theta means sin square theta by cot square theta. Or cosec square theta means 1 by sin square theta. From here sin square theta, sec square theta means 1 by cos square theta. Now you can see 1 by cos square theta means sec square theta. And sin square theta by cos square theta means tan square theta. What will happen? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So the answer will be 1. Okay. So now we'll solve problem number 33. The perimeter of two similar triangles are 26 and 39 centimeter. The ratio of their areas will be what? Okay. Here you can see the ratio of the perimeter of two similar triangles is equal to 26 is to 39. So it will be 2 is to 3. Therefore obviously the ratio of their corresponding side will be 2 is to 3 because these triangles are similar triangles. So therefore the ratio of the areas will be 2 by 3 whole square. The ratio will be 2 is to 3 means 2 by 3. Therefore it will be 4 is to 9. So option D will be the right answer. Now we will solve problem number 34. There are 20 vehicle cars and motorcycles in a parking area. If there are 56 wheels together, how many cars are there? Let us suppose the number of cars is equal to X and number of motorcycle is equal to Y. From the first condition, there are 20 vehicles. Therefore, X plus Y is equal to 20. And in the second condition, there are 56 wheels. You know that in a car there are 4 wheels. Therefore, in X car there are 4X wheels. And similarly, in a motorcycle there are 2 wheels. Therefore, in Y motorcycle there are 2 Y wheels. And after adding this, we will get the total number of wheels and it is given 56. So from these two conditions, after solving we get X equal to 8. So option A will be the right answer. Now we will solve problem number 35. A man goes 15 meter due west and then 8 meter due north. How far is he from the starting point? Let us suppose O is her starting point. I have drawn here north, south, east, west. From here he started his journey. He go from westwards, then go northward. Okay. So here OA will be the 15 meter and AB is equal to 8 meter. Okay. So what will be OB? You can see it is a right angle triangle. From right angle triangle you know that we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Therefore the hypotenuse square will be is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So it will be AB square plus OA square. We put the value of AB is equal to here 8 and OA is equal to 15, and after squaring and adding we get 64 plus 225, and after root over it means 17. So option C will be the right answer. Now question number 36. What is the length of an altitude of an equilateral triangle of side 8 cm? Here side is equal to 8 cm. We know that the formula of altitude is equal to root 3 by 2 into a length of the side. Here length of the side is equal to 8 cm. So it will be 4 root 3 cm. So which number will be right option? Option C will be the right option. Now we will solve problem number 37. If the letters of the word Ramanujan are put in a box and one letter is drawn at random, the probability of the letter A is what? So here the total number of letter is 9, Ramanujan, and number of A, how many number of A is here? There are 3A. So number of A is equal to 3. Okay. So the probability of A will be what? 3 upon 9, and it will be 1 by 3. So option D will be the right. Now we will solve problem number 38. Area of a sector of circle is 1/6 of the area of the circle. Find the degree measure of its minor arc. We know that how to find out the area of a arc. Suppose this is the arc and the formula is theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square. Now what is theta? theta is the angle in the center which the arc made in the center. Okay, so theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square is equal to, here it is given the area of the sector of the circle is 1/6 of the area, so it will be 1/6 of the area. So these two conditions are equal. From this equation we get theta is equal to, we cross out pi r square from the both sides, so theta will be 360 degree by 6, so it will be 60 degree. And which option will be right? It will be option B. Now we will solve problem number 39. A vertical stick 20 meter long cast a shadow 10 meter long on the ground. At the same time a tower cast a shadow 50 meter long. What is the height of the tower? Okay, suppose this is a stick and this is the tower. Okay, you know that these two are similar triangles. Okay, so in that case the theta will be the same, so the ratio of the height of the stick and the shadow of the stick is equal to same as the ratio of the height of the tower and shadow of the tower. I write down here, height of the stick means here it is given 20 and shadow of the stick is equal to 10 here, and here height of the tower is equal to, find out, and shadow of the tower is given, it is 50. So the height of the tower will be 50 into 2, because 2 tens are 20, so 50 into 2 means 100. So option D will be the right answer. Now in problem number 40, what is the solution of the pair of linear equation 37x plus 43y is equal to 123 and 43x plus 37y is equal to 117. You will do this problem in your home, it is very easy, and I have solved it, and the value is x equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. So which option will be the right? Obviously the option D will be the right answer. Okay, now we will solve section C, and it is based on the case study. Okay, section C consists of 10 questions of 1 mark each, and any 8 questions are to be attempted. Here you can see a map. The Pacific Ring of Fires is a major area in the basin of the Pacific Ocean where many earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occur. A large horseshoe shape is associated with nearly continuous series of oceanic trench, volcanic arcs and volcanic belts and plates movements. Okay, so here you can see some pictures, but this is the main part from where we can solve the problems. Okay, you can see this is a map, and here it is plotted two axes, x-axis and y-axis. Here it is given, but the coordinate of A, B, C, D are not given. At first I have find out the coordinate of the point A, B, C, D. Okay, so coordinate of A is equal to 1 and 4, therefore it will be 1, 4. The coordinate of B will be, here it is B, so it will be 4, 0. Coordinate of C it is 7, 1, and coordinate of D it is 1, 2, 3, 5, it is 3, 5, and it will be helpful to do the sums. Okay, so the question number 41 is the distance between the point country A and the country B is. You can see here already I have find out the coordinate of the country A and country B. So the distance between AB will be what? Root over difference between the x coordinate square plus difference between y coordinate square, and it will be 3 square plus 4 square, it will be, therefore it will be root over 25 is equal to 5 units. Okay, so here option B will be the right answer. Now we will solve problem number 42, and the problem is find a relation between x and y such that the point xy is equidistant from the coordinate C and from the country C and the country D. Here already I have find out the coordinate of C, it is 7, 1, and the coordinate of D it is 3, 5, and let suppose it is the point whose coordinate is xy and which is equidistant from C and D. Okay, so at first I have to find out the distance between C and P, and then distance between P and D, and then we will equal these distances. Okay, So at first we will find out the distance between C and P. The distance between C and P will be difference between x coordinate square plus difference between y coordinate square is equal to root over difference between x coordinate square plus difference between y coordinate square. After squaring on both sides, we get x minus y is equal to 2. So the option A will be the right answer. Okay. Now we will see in problem number 43, the fault line 3x plus y minus 9 divides the joining the country P and country Q internally in the ratio 3:4, 3:2, 2:3, 4:3. What will be the ratio? Let R divide the line, the ratio in the ratio k:1. Let's suppose this point P and this is Q and this is the line and it intersect the line joining at the point R, and R divide the line joining in the ratio k:1. Therefore this portion will be k and this portion will be 1. Then coordinate of R will be 2k into 2 plus 1 into 1 means plus 1 divided by k plus 1. Similarly 7 into k plus 3 into 1 divided by k plus 1. So this is the coordinate of the point R. Since the point R lies in the line 3x plus y is equal to 9, so it will satisfy the equation. So here we put the value of R, and after calculating we get 4k is equal to 3. Therefore k is equal to 3 by 4 is equal to 3:4. So which option will be the right? Option A will be the right. Now 44. The distance of the country M from the x-axis. Here you can see this is the country M. So distance from the x-axis, it will be 1, 2, 3. Therefore it is 3 units. So option C will be the right answer. In problem number 45. Now we will solve problem number 45, and the question is, what are the coordinates of the country lying on the midpoint of A and the country D, country A and country D. Okay, the coordinate of A is equal to 1, 4, I have already find it, and coordinate of D is equal to 3, 5. So here the midpoint of the country A and D is equal to 1 plus 3 divided by 2 and then 4 plus 5 divided by 2, and it will be 4 and 9 by 2. So number B will be the right answer. Now in case 2 study, here you can see a roller coaster. In question number 46, the question is, if the roller coaster is represented by the following graph y is equal to px, then name the type of the polynomial in trace. Obviously it is a cubic polynomial. Okay, so it is option number C. Now we'll solve problem number 7, and the problem is the roller coaster are represented by the following graph y is equal to px. Which roller coaster has more than 3 distinct zeros? Here it is only 1 0, in this case 2 zeros, in this case 1, 2, 3 zeros, in this case 1, 2, 3, 4. As the curve intersects the x-axis at 4 points, therefore option D will be the right answer. Okay. Now in problem number 48, the problem is, if the roller coaster is represented by the cubic polynomial tx equal to px cube plus qx square plus rx plus s, then which of the following is always true? P of course not equal to 0. So which option will be the right option? D. In a cubic polynomial, P will not be 0, because if P will be 0, then 0 into x cube will be 0. So the cubic polynomial, it will be not the cubic polynomial, then it will be a quadratic polynomial. So in that case, obviously P not equal to 0. Okay. In problem number 49, if the path traced by the roller coaster is presented by the above graph y is equal to px, find the number of zeros. Here you can see the zeros are minus 2, okay, then 0, and it is also 2. Therefore 3 zeros, as is the curve intersect the x-axis at 3 points. So how many zeros? 3 zeros. And in the last problem there is a graph, and what is the question? If the path traced by the roller coaster is presented by the above graph y is equal to px, find the zeros. And the zeros is, here it is -3, here it is -1, and here it is 2. So the zeros are -3, -1 and 2. So which option will be the right? Option C will be the right answer. So today up to here. So I have solved all the questions from the sample paper, and today up to here. And if you want to get more sample papers like this, or if you have any problems in any topic in mathematics, you can mention in the comment box so that I can fix your problem. And for that purpose, you have to subscribe my channel. If you like my teaching, then press the like button, and to get more videos like this, of course subscribe my channel. So I am finishing here today. Stay with me. Thank you.